Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Earning with Bits. Today let's take a look at TonKong, a new Kong faucet. Get started by signing up with your C-Wallet or Faucet Pay email. After you log in, your dashboard will be located on the left. Your faucet, game list, and surveys are located here. You can also see the daily payouts. Let's begin by clicking Faucet. Now scroll down and solve the CAPTCHA in the middle of the screen. I already claimed, so my CAPTCHA won't appear, but yours should show up. After you claim your balance, at the top center of your homepage will be credited. Next, go to the top of your dashboard and select the notification bell. Choose Verify your email and enter the code they send to your mail. Great, now you can get 10 bonus rolls for free. Go back to Faucet and choose Bonus Spins. Now roll out all your free spins. When you're done rolling, go back to your dashboard and select Games. Here you can play a variety of different casino games. Let's choose Dice. A quick strategy is to set your win percentage to 12% and increase your bet by 16% every time you lose. You can set it on auto and let the computer play for you, or you can play manually. I'm going to choose auto because it's faster. Okay, let's play. You should always set a stop loss or stop win. Bingo, look, I won. Now, when you're ready to cash out, go back to your dashboard and select Withdraw. Enter your proper address and withdraw your coins. The minimum withdrawal is only 0.1 ton. You can make that easily, playing games or doing surveys. That's all for now. Thanks for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Please like and subscribe.